What's going on, guys? Adam here, back with another video. This one, I want to give you my take on what is the best online business to start for beginners. Everybody has this question when they're first starting out online, is what is the best business for me? What is the best business for somebody with a very low income, a very low budget? What is the best business for me to start? What is it? That's what I want to answer in today's video. So if you're ready, let's go. Now, I want to be 100% clear with you guys. These are just two of the best businesses, in my opinion. These are two of the best online businesses to start for beginners. There's a lot of different online businesses out there. Okay, there's e-commerce. Okay, there's, I could seriously go on and on. Okay, I'm not going to make a whole list. Okay, I'm going to talk about two today. Okay, but you're going to get a lot of people saying e-commerce is the best. Sell stuff on eBay, sell stuff on Amazon, do affiliate marketing, do social media marketing, okay, on and on and on. But the problem is, you only need one business to make you money. But what business is that? Today, I want to talk about one that I think is going to be perfect for you. And the second one, I think, is going to be a great option to go with that first one. So if you're ready, let's hop into it. The first business, affiliate marketing on YouTube. You probably heard me say this before. I think it's one of the best businesses for anybody to do. And here's the reason why. So YouTube is an incredible platform. It's absolutely free. Doesn't cost you a thing other than your time. Now here's the cool part. You can make money outside of YouTube ads. And if you know what I'm talking about, YouTube ads, it means YouTube's going to pay you a little bit of money for running ads on your channel. However, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in order to get any type of revenue from YouTube ads. Here's the cool part. Let's say you want to make money off your hobby. And what's your hobby? Well, let's say you love anything automotive. Look at this. I typed in how to remove stains from cloth seats. Here's the reason why I even typed this up and why I recommend doing affiliate marketing on YouTube. The reason why I even search for that specific term is because I've done it in the past. This right here, it's an X-Tech electric steam cleaner. Okay, it has a bunch of accessories. Now, I'm not trying to sell you this. What I'm telling you is I end up buying this because I watched a video. Okay, I watched a video on how to clean your cloth seats. And this is what somebody recommended. This exact product. Okay, and so I looked in their description box and I saw, okay, this is not the same video that I was watching, but you'll get the idea. Okay, this one is Best Upholstery Cleaner for Cars 2018. And it has 3 links all going to Amazon to buy said product. Now, I end up picking this up because somebody said this is what they're using. And you're probably thinking, well, just because somebody else is using it doesn't mean I have to. Well, it doesn't, but I didn't know how to clean the cloth seats the right way. So I ended up picking this up, ended up using it, and the seats came out just perfect, like a brand new car. And it's because I followed the directions to the T, exactly how they did it in the video. When I was cleaning the seats, I watched the video, I watched to see what different attachments they were using, and because of that, I bought the product, I used the product, loved it, and I still have it to this day. Now I know what you're thinking. I don't have any idea how to clean a car seat. I have no idea about steam cleaners or automotive anything. What should I do? Well, this is why I titled this video Best Online Businesses to Start for Beginners. Because you may not know what you want to do. Look at this. Let me show you something. This right here, I typed in best shampoo for dogs skin irritation. Look at this. Okay? Dog skin infection shampoo. It was done 11 months ago, has 13,000 views on it. Okay, here's another one. DIY dog shampoo for itchy skin. This person's probably showing a DIY, a do-it-yourself secret to get your dog away from their itchy skin. How do I do it? The best shampoo, all that stuff. If we go and look in here, you'll probably see different links to a Amazon product, maybe a product at Walmart or Target or wherever. It doesn't matter where the product is. All that matters is there's a link to send the viewer to the product so that they can buy it. And then you, as pretty much the middleman, you make the commission. It might be a small commission, but still, it's a commission. Maybe you have no idea about dogs. You're not an animal lover. You don't even have a dog. You have no pets. Okay, what do I do? There's more options for you, but what are they? You got to understand, what are your hobbies, what are your interests, what are your expertise in. You're an expert in something, you may just not know it yet. Okay? I didn't know I was an expert in certain things until I started to talk about them. People would ask me questions and like, hey, you know all this information, help me out. And I was like, that's not something I do, that's not what I know. But when I really sat down and thought about it, I am an expert in more fields than I realized. And you probably are too. Just recently, actually about a month ago, my wife and I had our third child. And so he's a month old now. But the best part about that is I am still going onto YouTube to figure out new things on, so for example, how to get babies to fall asleep faster. I have 2 kids, one's 10 and the other one's 6, and then I have a newborn. And the cool part is things change. Just because I am a parent already doesn't mean I know everything. And so I look to people that are experts in their field, that know a little bit more about me in these different things. For example, lullabies. I know this, but I didn't do it. Would a lullaby be better for a child, or which lullaby is the best? Trying different things, getting a machine to do some white noise type stuff, all this stuff. I knew it. However, it took somebody to actually tell it to me through a YouTube video that I need to do it again. So what I'm telling you is it doesn't matter what it is. Okay, babies, cars, health, fitness, cooking. Okay, it could be something as simple as business related, stocks, reading, okay, school supplies. It doesn't matter. You probably know about something and you can teach other people. That's why I recommend doing affiliate marketing on YouTube as one of the best and easiest online businesses to start for any beginner. Now I know you probably get hung up on different things. How do I make the video? What tools do I need? How do I get the most views? How do I make money from said videos? Well, that's why I put together a simple course. It's called Affiliate Marketing on YouTube. I'll put a link down in the description box below. You can go check it out. Again, this is going to help you get started and start making money as fast as possible. Reselling online. That is the second best online business to start for any beginner, because you probably have stuff already in your house, in your garage, in your closet you can sell. That is just selling. Reselling is where you buy a product for the sole purpose of reselling to somebody else. Again, you're the middleman. Now in just a second, I'm going to show you my computer screen. I'm going to show you a product I picked up at Target. Anybody can pick this item up. I picked it up from Target for $45. After taxes, it cost me about $50. And I sold it on Amazon FBA for $107. I ended up profiting about $30. It's like $29 off this product, which is great. Okay, I spend $45 or $50 after taxes, and I make about $30 profit. That's pretty good. I think anybody would do that all day long. Okay, because if, let's say you have $100, and I would have bought 2 of those products for $100, and then I sell those 2 products for the $107, I would have just made about $60 off my $100 investment. That's really good. 60% is really good for one day's worth of work. And really, it didn't take me a day. It took me simply minutes to walk into a Target, find the item I was looking for, buy it, go out to the car, put it in the car, take it home, list it, and it sold. It was that fast. Now in just a second, I'm going to give you some tips on how to get into reselling as a full-time income, because honestly, it is one of the best online businesses to start for beginners, because the more money you have, the more money you can invest, the more money you could potentially make. Now you already see the item, okay? I'm not going to hide it. It's the Disney Princess Sparkling Styles Dolls. It's a 7-pack. Now, this is an item that was on clearance. Currently in my stores, around me, it's not available. It's actually temporarily out of stock, okay? But it was $45.49. That's what it was on clearance, okay? This item right here, and I'm going to show you what it is on Amazon, okay? Right here, okay? It's currently selling for $89.92. I end up selling mine for $100. It's like $105 or $107, right around there, okay? I end up selling it. Now, here's the cool part, is I could do this over and over again, not just with this exact item, but with other items. Because yeah, Target has this item. What about this, and this, and this, and this, and this, and this? There's so many things I could buy to resell. That's the beauty of reselling. Now, let's say you can't sell this on Amazon. Here's the reason why. Not everybody can sell any type of item on Amazon. This particular item, because it's a Disney product, you have to get approved by Amazon to actually sell this. Okay? So because of that, most people can't get approved. So if you can't get approved, don't worry. There's always eBay. This exact item sold on eBay on September 4th for $99. Again, remember, this is a $45 product, and it sold on eBay for $99. This person ended up making some money, guaranteed, because this product was not actually that much as far as their investment. It's 45 bucks. You know, if they got their 5% off because they have a Target Red card, you save a little bit of money, you make a little bit more. That's how reselling works. So hopefully you enjoyed today's video on what is the best online business to start for beginners. If you have any questions, you can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Make sure you come back for the next video because you do not want to miss it. I guarantee it. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.